Hello students, welcome to the Deepti Bridgewell School's digital learning classes. Here we are learning Computer of Class 8 from Rahul Sir. Flowcharts. Many a times when people ask us the path to some place, we use the landmark to tell the best possible route with the help of arrows and lines. Similarly, in computer, if we need to explain about getting along with the solution to a particular problem, we need to draw the boxes and shapes and connect them with flow lines. This process of factorial representation of the solution to the problem is known as flow charting. Flowcharts are diagrammatic representation of a set of instructions which must be followed to find the solution to a given problem. Flowcharts are made using different boxes. Each box has a different functions. A flowchart is defined as a factorial representation depicting a process being studied or even used to plan stages of a project. Flowcharts tend to provide people with a common language or reference point when dealing with a project and process. There are several boxes and shapes used for drawing a flowchart. Some of them are mentioned here. Start Stop box is the terminal box. It is used to begin or show the end of a flowchart. No boxes or flow lines are given before the start terminal box or after the stop terminal box. Input output box is used to get input from the user. The output to the user is also given using this box. The programming statement like input and print are represented by the input output box. The process box is the place where all the processes like the assignment of values to the variables, any calculations are given, no more. Hermann Goldstine and John von Neumann developed a flowchart plan computer programs. Decision box in the flowchart is used when we have to check a condition. The condition is expressed as a question beginning with is. The answer to the question is either yes or no. The decision box branches out with flow lines that shows yes and no, and the flow of control is directed to the related action. Connector is the quality of a good flow chart that the flow lines do not move from bottom to top of the page. Thus, we use the connector at such point to show the flow of data and information. Flow lines are used to show the direction of the show of logic within the flowchart. These lines connect the various boxes of the flowchart. The flow lines are always drawn in such a manner that they do not cross each other or any of the flowchart boxes. Let us draw a flowchart to find the product of two numbers and print the numbers along with their product. The flowchart shown here illustrate the steps in a straight line program logic. This involves no repetition or option. However, in practice, the repetition of certain steps and bypassing of a path of a program are common. This happens when the outcomes of a particular steps in the program besides the further sequence of steps. Some sample flow chart. Example 1. Flow chart to add two numbers. Start. Input first number in A. Input second number in B. Let C is equals to A plus B. Print C. Stop. Example 2. Flowchart to calculate the acceleration of using the formula. Start. Input distance in m. Input time in t. Let a is equal to m slash t divided by t. Print a. Stop. No more. A flowchart is a graphical representation of an algorithm in which steps are laid out in a logical order. Flowcharts are very important in computer programming. Example 3. Flowchart to convert kilometers to meters. Start. Input kilometers in km. Let MTS is equals to km into 1000. Print MTS. Stop. Example 4. Flowcharts to convert Fahrenheit to centigrade. Start. Input Fahrenheit in F. C is equals to 5 into F minus 32 divided by 9. Print C. Stop. Example 5. Flowchart to input age and print if the person is eligible to vote or not. Start. Input age in A is greater than 18. If no, print you cannot vote. If yes, print you are eligible to vote. Stop. Example 6. Flowchart to enter total marks out of 600 and print qualified if percentage is greater than 40 and unqualified if percentage is less than 40. Start. Input total marks in TM. P is equals to TM divided by 600 into 100. Is P is greater than 40? If no, print unqualified. If yes, print qualified. Stop. Example 7. Flowchart to calculate simple interest. Start. Enter P, R, T. Si is equals to 0. Si is equals to P into R into T divided by 100. Display Si. Stop. Example 8. Flowchart to check if a student is passed or fail. Start. Enter total marks of two students. AVG is equals to T divided by 5. Is AVG greater than 50? If yes, print passed. If no, print failed. Stop.